let's take a closer look at this Lazy Susan spice rack. Now, if you're trying to keep your spices or your vitamins or your vinegar bottles or maybe even your pet food cans organized, I think I found the perfect solution for you. This is a 10-inch in diameter Lazy Susan. It's 2-tier and it is made out of bamboo. Now the rack right here is very sturdy and it's not flimsy. And it rotates 360 degrees and it can hold up to 10 pounds on each layer. Now it was very easy to assemble. As you can see, it just has the 3 poles and you just lock them into the 2 tiers and you're ready to go and start stacking. Now this Lazy Susan, you can store it in your cupboard, but right now I have it stored in my pantry and I liked it so well that I end up purchasing 2 of them. Now I love the simplicity of it, and plus I think it's very practical. Overall, I like the functionality and it provided the solution I was looking for to stay organized, and it provided me the access to the spices since it does rotate 360 degrees. So if you are looking to stay organized and you're looking for a Lazy Susan to help you do that, I highly recommend this one. Like I said, I purchased 2 of them and you will not be disappointed.